Network Entertainment.
Let me ask you something personal. What if you finally reach your financial goal but still feel empty in the inside? What if you doubled your income today? Would you wake up feeling different or still feeling lost? So ang katanungan sa iyo is talagang, yan ba talaga ang gusto mo sa buhay? Na yumaman pero hindi ka naman masaya. And today I want us to have a deeper conversation, not just about money, not just about success, but it's all about your calling and your purpose.
Hi, I'm Chingitan, and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Welcome back to Chink Positive Podcast. Thank you for making this podcast on the top 100 podcasts local channel here in the Philippines. Today we're going to go in deeper and I want you to think, reflect, and apply. I want you to ask yourself this question. Why do you really want to become rich? Bakit mo talaga gustong yumaman? Let's say if you finally reach your financial goals to make 6 digits or 7 digits income per month, ano sa palagay mo magbabago sa buhay mo? Here's the truth. A lot of people think once they reach this certain level of income, that's their destination. But let me tell you the truth. Alam mo, ito yung na-realize ko eh. I used to have nothing, right now I have something. I used to earn a little, but right now I'm earning more. But this is what I've realized. Money without a purpose is useless. Money without a purpose is meaningless. So na-realize ko that money is a tool. And tools without a purpose creates meaningless. Walang meaning eh. That's why some people, even they're financially successful, but they're emotionally empty and lost in the inside. Pero yun lang ito lang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Hindi ko na sinasabi na hindi natin kailangan ng pera. Okay? Honestly, di ba sinasabi, money doesn't buy happiness. Believe me, it does. Pag namili mo yung gusto mong damit, sapatos, travel, nako, it will make you happy. But it will only make you happy for a moment. But not for a long time. Kasi money creates comfort eh. Money creates choices and opportunities. Meron yung sinasabi, kasabihan nga that money can create entertainment but not peace. Money can buy attention but not genuine connection. Money can buy you luxury but not purpose. And that is where most people get trapped. Yung thinking, once I earn more, I finally will be fulfilled. Yes, you will be filled for the moment, but you will feel empty after na pinagsawaan mo na yung nakuha mo. Because this is what I've realized with money. Yung money is a tool to make our life easier, but it cannot be our identity. Money is here just to support your mission in life. It's not the end. It's not the end goal. Kaya nga, makikita nyo talaga, di ba? Alam naman natin, kumikita ng mga billion not in the right way. Pero yun nga, they acquire so much property, they have so many stuff, but still they feel empty. Once they have more, they want more. Alam mo, without purpose, people can only earn, but they will not find meaning in life. Kaya nga, napakalaga, one of the most powerful things that probably you and I should discover is this. Ask yourself, ano ba ang purpose mo sa buhay? Because once you have a purpose with the money that you're going to earn and you are earning, it gives you direction with your money. When you know the why, the decisions becomes clearer. Like for example, honestly, for me, kung bakit ko gusto kumita ng pera, I don't know about you. Definitely, we share one thing in common. It's for our family security. Agree? And the purpose why we want to have security is because we want freedom. Diba? We want to be free from financial stress, from financial worries. But more than that, ito yung na-discover kong purpose. Pag na-fulfill ko na yung part na yan, ang second purpose ko sa buhay right now, the reason why I'm not stopping because I want to also help others to achieve their calling and purpose in life. Alam mo, if you're listening to this podcast, alam mo, prayer ko sa'yo. Ang prayer ko sa'yo is that you will make so much money na hindi magkakasya talaga. Bakit? Kasi the purpose of you being blessed and me being blessed so that we can become a blessing to others. Yan ang purpose. Kaya nga, once you discover your purpose, it changes everything. Kaya nga, I just want to warn you. The danger of chasing money and success alone. Pwede ba ako magpakatotoo? Kasi some people are just chasing about the achievement. the latest Rolex, the latest car, the latest gadget, di ba? But no amount of money can really give you meaning in life. Believe me. That's why you see people who look successful online but privately they feel exhausted and disconnected. Because external success doesn't automatically create internal fulfillment. Purpose matters. Kaya nga, I want you to do a self-reflection right now as you listen to this podcast and be honest with yourself. If money was no longer a problem for you right now, what kind of life do you actually want? Is it more time with your family, with your children, to help a community, to help your relatives, to start a ministry? Ano ba talagang gusto mo? Sana bago pa dumating ang pera, alamin mo kung ano yung purpose ng pera, na hindi ka malunod sa pera, di ba? Pag dumating ang ikang biyaya. So ito yung assignment mo for this week. I want you to write down 3 things. Get a paper and a pen. Number 1, ask yourself, what kind of life do you want to achieve 10 years from now? Be specific. Huwag mo sabihin, I just want to become a millionaire. Susulat mo, pagka nagkaroon ka na ng milyon, anong gagawin mo sa milyon? Be specific. Number 2, what does your ideal life actually looks like? Diba? Yung parang, tanungin mo sarili mo, diba? Ano ba talagang gagawin mo araw-araw? And number 3, sulat mo, what impact do I want my life to create? Ito yung pinaka-meaning mo eh. Again, once money comes without a purpose, it becomes a what? Distraction. Pero alam mo, pag alam mo yung purpose mo, like for example, ako alam ko yung purpose ko eh. I pray and hope that one day, there will come a time that I can give 90% of my income away. That's my prayer. Yan ang pinapipray ko kay Lord. Na Lord, sana give me the ability to produce wealth so that I can give majority of my income away. So as I end this podcast, if there's one thing I want you to remember from today's episode, yes, money is important. Money can buy temporary happiness, but money without a purpose is useless. If this episode helped you to think, reflect, and give a deeper parang understanding of why you're grinding, share it with someone who's working hard but slowly losing direction. Yung nawawala na sa landas. Baka itong malay mo, itong episode na ito, ang maging eye-opener, di ba, sa kanya, for him or her to go back in his original plan and purpose. So, again, mga kapatid, stay driven, stay grounded, and always stay Chink Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.